The LG C6H OLED is poised to be a game-changer for TV enthusiasts looking for the ultimate viewing experience in 2025, finally bringing unprecedented brightness to the beloved C-series. This isn't just another incremental update. LG is introducing its groundbreaking hyper-radiant technology, combining a dual-panel tandem system with advanced color processing. The result is a truly dramatic leap forward, with the 77-inch and 83-inch C6H models boasting up to 3.9 times the brightness of earlier B-series OLEDs. This fixes a long-standing reservation about the C-series, finally delivering a true next-generation upgrade that rivals even higher-end G-series models. You'll be blown away by the incredible contrast, superior motion clarity, and stunning shadow detail that only OLED can provide, now with astonishing peak brightness. Priced from $3,699 for the 77-inch, the LG C6H OLED offers a serious bang for your buck compared to the more expensive G6, making it a top contender for the best large-screen OLED TV of 2025. These incredible screens are set to hit shelves in March 2025, so prepare to elevate your home theater. Don't miss out on the chance to secure one of the brightest OLED TVs on the market. Check the description below for exclusive early purchase links.